Hey everyone, welcome to Star Academy. Hello, is this really Star Academy? This is where every letter learns their power. And today's student is letter C.
It's so big in here, and so many colors.
C, our viewers are waiting.
One moment, who are these people? They look very cool.
Camera is this way, C. Right, sorry. What is that shiny thing? Letter C, look at the board. What do you see?
That's my shape.
That's me, on the board. I'm famous. That is the letter C, your letter. The letter C makes this sound. K. Watch my mouth. K. K. It tickles. The sound went right through me. That's your sound. Now you try.
Okay.
That came from inside me. Say it with us. Ka. Our first word today, C-A-T, cat. Wait, cat starts with C. That starts with me. Exactly. Cat. The C sound starts it.
Cat. I'm going to make one. I made a cat. There's a cat in me.
C is for cat. Say it with us.
Cat.
It starts with me. Cat. C is for cat.
That's right. Let's go explore. Look, a star. And a chair.
They have been walking for 2 minutes. I am fine. Let's say it one more time. Cat. Cat. Can you say it too? Our next word also starts with C. Cookie. C-O-O-K-I-E.
Cool.
Are you okay?
Never better.
I ate them. All 3. Immediately. I'm sorry. C is for cookie. There are no more cookies. This is fine. Say cookie clearly, then you get one.
Cookie, please, please, please.
C is for cookie. Say it with us.
Cookie. This is the best day.
And our most beautiful word, colorful.
Every color, all at once. That word is every color at once.
That color, all of it, came from you.
I thought I was just green.
You were always colorful. Today we learned cat, cookie, and colorful. Cat, cookie, colorful. I start them all. Ham and McDay start you. I inspire and Brayfay. Can you say all 3? Let's go. Cat, cookie, colorful. Say it with us. Amazing work today, everyone. See you next time at Star Academy.
Cat, cookie, colorful.
Bye. Someone new is coming. It looks so tall and straight. I want to explore it already.